let's ask this filter stuff. Okay. Will my subscribers will be a billionaire in the future? Okay. C. This is C. Oh, yes, you guys will be a billionaire. So make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. What else is Santa real? Yes. Okay. I really want to ask this filter that reason because I really want to know that, and I want to ask this filter: is zombies are real in the Philippines? Please say no. Indeed. No way. Do not believe this filter that it's saying that there are real zombies in the Philippines. No. No way. Okay, guys, it's level booster. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, 85%. Can you beat that score, guys? It's almost the same, but the head is not. So, whoever can beat me, I'll follow you. What is your style? Well, my style is I love dress so much, and I love bow, sorry, hat, and I love heels because, like, I'm a stylish girl, and I like purse, not bag. So sorry. Morning or night? Uh, I'm trying to practice to choose only one because I choose both because I like midnight for midnight snacking and morning for like probably swimming. So I'm gonna do this one. So I'm on this side. So do you guys agree with me? This is our target, and I am trying to get it, which is I didn't get it. It's super close, but it's a pineapple.